You know, a player got dough. A player can leave the game. But if I leave the streets, they still gonna love me, man? Yo, what's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? It's your guy, Mr. DCYLP, and I got some shit to show you. All right, y'all, it's been a hot little minute, man. I had to get some things in order. You know, my personal life, a lot of shit was going on, but your boy's still been, doing little things, man, behind the scenes as far as the brand is concerned. But let's get off that. All right, it's gonna be right into these short sets. If y'all follow me rather on IG, I just posted these joints up. Got 3 colorways that I'm putting out right now. It's the mesh joints. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all the white joint, the white version first. I threw the We Made You patch on the left chest. Yo, these joints is fire, yo. 100% polyester. All right, so these joints is 100% polyester. The shorts, nice, thick, 2.5-inch elastic waistband. Let me bring it in close. And them joints pretty fire. Like I showed you, can see the metal O-rings housing the strings with the metal white aglets on the tip of the strings. That's the white version. I threw that new chennile DCYLP patch on the yellow. You know what I'm saying? It's the Lakers colorway for all my Lakers fans out there. And on that 100% polyester, you can put the plastisol transfers on these joints. All right, you won't burn it if you know what the hell you're doing. Use yourself a Teflon sheet or some parchment paper or whatever. Before this video ends, y'all make sure I hit that thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that bell notification so you'll never miss nothing. And I'll leave the link or all the information pertaining to where I got these joints from down below. All right, I put the patch on this one on the left leg. I put it on the side. I didn't want to put it in the front. I wanted it to be different this time. I threw that joint on the side. So that's the Lakers colorway. Then boom, you hit him with the red joint, the unfamous red joint, and I threw the rubber unfamous patch going across the back in the front chest. Yeah, I'm feeling these. I wanted to do some sets like this years ago, but you know, I just wasn't really, I couldn't find what I actually wanted, and I actually found these, and I'm in love with them. Quality is popping. Ain't no cheap, short, above the knee bullshit. You know what I'm saying? It's like a little, it's like a little bit, it's like, they're like knee length. All right, so you feel like a real ball player. You feel me? Style on them something sexy this summer. As far as the shorts is concerned, white waistband, same thing. Black metal tip Oleans that come, the strings are coming out of, with the red tips on the end of the strings. I'm telling you, man, cooking up this summer. Yo, that's it for this one, man. Y'all saw these joints actually got the pockets on the side too with the zipper, so you don't lose your cell phone or your cash or what have you. So these joints are pretty flavorful, man. If you checking for these joints, y'all make sure y'all hit the vendor down below. All right, that's it for this one, man. Cause I'm actually running out of time. But as y'all know, I miss y'all. I know you miss me too. Let's get it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.